Hi, I'm Mansi Sharma and I am from Panipat. And before joining this course, I was working as a academic tutor and academic researcher in Jindal University. Right now, I am building my own brand, and hence I entered this course with the vision to enhance my skills in digital marketing. As I don't have any experience in digital marketing, so for beginners who don't have any clue that what digital marketing is, they can definitely join this course. So it helped me get a basic understanding of all the platforms and all the things that are there in digital marketing. So even though the course, while I was practicing it on my own, I understood that there's a lot of scope of learn there's a huge scope of learning even after the course, even after this course. But for beginners, I believe that it is a must do course because it gives you a very, very vast understanding of what digital marketing is and how to use the platforms, how to connect the platforms. The coordinators were pretty helpful. They were always available whenever I needed. And the trainers were also very, very, very helpful. They had a huge experience in their field. So whenever I asked them questions, they were always ready to answer. And also after, even when the course was completed, during the time when I was practicing on my own, whenever I had any issue, I used to reach out to the facilitators, and they were always ready to help me. I would say if this course is very much helpful if you are just a beginner who has no clue in digital marketing. The curriculum, I would say, the test was given. I believe that the test was a little too advanced than the curriculum that was taught to us. So if the curriculum could also go a little advanced, so that it will be helpful for us to attempt the answers more nicely. So that was one thing that I felt like was missing.